3, 2, 1.
Who invited Burke to join the Freemasons? The answer is C. Charles, Marquess of Rockingham. Which archipelago, formerly administered by Madagascar, includes the islands of Mayotte, Anjouan, Grand Comore, and Moheli? The answer is C. Comoro. What myths did the Romans adapt to their needs? The answer is C. Greek. Are the Hybes and Broder Daniel both from the same country? The answer is A. Yes. On which date did the French Parliament vote to declare war on Prussia? The answer is D. 16 July 1870. What are the VAT percentages? The answer is C. In which country? It's 17.5% in the UK. What is the name given to a word or sentence which reads the same forwards and backwards? The answer is B. Palindrome. In addition to cannon fire, what did Franklin suggest to act as Parisians' alarm clock? The answer is A. Ringing church bells. In what country did the cha-cha-cha dance originate? The answer is D. Cuba. After the vision of the angel of God and God in the library of the Alpheneum Club, what does Edward decide? The answer is A. He is convinced he needs to leave the church. Which language officially served the Kingdom of Yugoslavia? The answer is B. Serbo-Croatian. In the British television series Callan, played by Edward Woodward, what is Callan's first name? The answer is D. David. In which Shakespeare play does Dogberry, a constable, manage to uncover Don Juan's plot to discredit Hero? The answer is B. Much Ado About Nothing. What weight of plating is possible with copper? The answer is A. Any. What is another name for a hippocampus? The answer is B. Seahorse. Who made the same recommendation regarding intestinal function? The answer is B. CDC. What movement came out of the French Revolution? The answer is A. Nationalism. Can a packet be lost, and if so, then where does it go? The answer is A. Weighted fair queuing or leaky bucket. What years of economic growth were called Greece's economic hell? The answer is A. 1950 to 1980. Which year saw the first commercial Concorde flight? The answer is D, 1976. Massive quanta, like electrons, also act like macroscopic particles, something we expect, because they are the smallest what? The answer is D, units of matter. What is a religion that doesn't limit social interactions with non-believers? The answer is A, Jehovah's Witnesses. What is to happen to Zeke after treatment? The answer is A, Zeke is likely to be stunted by this disease. What percentage of kids in the whole world get the BCG vaccine? The answer is A, 90%. In what year did Spielberg start helping the Boy Scouts of America out? The answer is A, 1989. Other than its main central business district, where are the majority of San Diego's business districts located? The answer is A, Northern San Diego. What happened after the dream? The answer is A, she woke up. The average min/max temperature deg C and rain in Goa, India on New Year's Day are roughly? The answer is B, 20/30/0. Which company owns the Costa Coffee chain? The answer is D, Whitbread. What country joined Egypt and Syria against Israel? The answer is B, Jordan. What general was fired for defying President Trump's containment strategy?
The answer is C, MacArthur.
How do you connect two ideas? How would you do this? The answer is A, pick the best one. What language has exerted the most influence on Dutch vocabulary since the 12th century? The answer is A, French. Who did not take the title of Grand Prince? The answer is A, Prince Andrei Bogolyubsky. What year did the film Peter Allen's former spouse won an Academy Award for come out? The answer is A, 1972. A man walks out of a building and starts skateboarding. What happens next? The answer is A, it's skateboarding in between cars. Donald Campbell, the car and motorboat racer who broke 8 world speed records in the 1950s and 60s, was born in which country? The answer is B, England. In what country was Punch Taverns established? The answer is D, the UK. Anwar Sadat was president of which country when he died in 1981? The answer is C. Egypt. Where in the human body is the tibia? The answer is A. Lower leg. Who appeared in her first film for 15 years, Monster-in-Law, in 2005? The answer is A. Jane Fonda. Which material is the best conductor of electricity? The answer is B. Metal. What is the most common element in the universe? The answer is B. Hydrogen. When was a ruling not handed down on the Mount Soledad cross controversy? The answer is D. May 3, 2006. Where is Dahlia Street? The answer is C. Dublin. Give the more common name for the plant, the cranesbill. The answer is C. Geranium. Who now organizes the Eton Choral courses? The answer is A. Ralph Allwood. Which was released first, Lally's Kin, The Legacy of Cotton, or Hoop Dreams? The answer is D. Hoop Dreams. What holiday is the narrator enjoying here? The answer is A. The narrator is experiencing December 25th. Which papers did Morgan serve as editor of?